how to fix Telegram bot not working. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Telegram bots not working in your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started. Simply head over to your Telegram application, and inside your Telegram application head over to your hamburger icons, and inside hamburger icons you can go it inside settings options, and once you get inside settings option you will get the option called data and storage. Once you click on it, as you can see at the top, data and storage, once again click on it, and from here you can simply, what you can do is you can simply click on clear cache, and once you clear the cache memory, it will automatically fix the issue related to bots or any other problems in your Telegram. So hope that helps. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.